How did I make $50,000 in profits in just 5 months? Keep watching to find out. Hello and welcome back. I'm Dr. Bo with Ready, Set, Grow. On this channel, my goal is to share tips to help you on your financial and trading journey. If you're new here, like and subscribe. Please turn on those notifications so you're notified when I post. Also check the description for some valuable resources. Today I'm going to tell you how I made $50,000 on one ticker. It should be no surprise that that ticker is none other than Tesla, TSLA. Tesla has created millionaires, and I knew that I wanted to be a part of it. Lucky for me, my opportunity came when Tesla split back in August. Did any of you catch it during the split or when it dropped after? In August, I purchased 142 shares of Tesla at $482.39. I also alerted this in my Discord server, letting everyone know that it was time to get into Tesla and not to miss this opportunity. The cost of 142 shares was $68,500. You may be wondering, how did you get that much capital? Well, I liquidated some of my other assets. I had tons of shares in Netflix, tons of shares in Apple, American Airlines, Delta. My portfolio had tons of shares. I liquidated some of those to invest that capital into Tesla. My thought process at the time was, first of all, I knew that many countries were planning to go electric. Also, we are shifting our focus to look at climate change more and more, and Elon Musk seemed to be working toward a solution. And I also must mention that I drive a Tesla and love it. Anyway, I believed in Elon Musk and his vision, and that's why I decided to take this trade. So I bought my 142 shares back in August 30th to be exact, $68,500, and then I watched and waited because Tesla does what it always does. I'm going to take you to my trade tab, and as of today, you can see my 142 shares. I bought it at $432.39. Tesla, it was currently at $867.75. I am up 79% on the trade, and I'm actually up $54,720.84. And it was up a bit more. I was actually up 85% on Friday before it went down. And what I like about this is, since I alerted members in my Discord server, they are making money on this as well. So we're all making really great money on just Tesla. My plan now that I'm up 79%, I plan to hold it. I'm actually hoping for another split. What are your plans for Tesla? Let me know in the comments. If you're looking for an active trading community, check out my Discord server. It is linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.